Hey, Eco Crew! It's me, Phillip Water Bottles. Guess what? We're going camping. Wanna join us? But wait, camping isn't just about roasting marshmallows and setting up your tent. To be a true Eco Crew camper, there are 5 big things you need to know. Want to know more? Stick with me and I'll show you how to camp the Eco Crew way. Make sure you listen to all 5 rules so you can be a prepared Eco Crew camper. Let's dive in. Here's rule number 1. Always clean up your trash. Pick it up, pack it out, and recycle what you can. That's right, Eco Crew. The forest should look the same when you leave as when you arrived. Here comes rule number 2. Practice fire safety when camping. Campfires are fun, but they can also be dangerous. Remember, Eco Crew, adults should be the only ones taking care of campfires. Never play with fire, and make sure it's put out before you leave the campsite. Fires keep us warm, but we need to protect trees and animals too. Are you ready for rule number 3? Don't feed the animals. They need their natural food and shouldn't be fed people food. Exactly. Enjoy watching wildlife from a distance, but don't bother them. Eco Crew! Here comes rule number 4. Water is precious. Don't waste it. Fill bottles only with what you'll drink and don't leave taps or pumps running. And our final rule, number 5. Stay on the trails. That way, plants and animal homes don't get hurt. Adventure is fun, but staying on paths keeps the forest safe for everyone, including you. Wow, Eco Crew! You just learned the 5 big rules of being a responsible camper. Guess what, Eco Crew? Now you can camp the Eco Crew way and help protect nature. Way to go! If you enjoyed this adventure, have your parents hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out our other Eco Crew videos for even more fun ways to help the planet.